have like that little hook and nail area. So I am gonna mark the wall where I want it to be. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna mark it right here. So I'm marking it with a chalk because it can be easily erased. So I got this from Target. It's just a picture hanging kit, and it came with a few because I do have 2 more mirrors that I want to put up. So they have it by the weight, 30 pounds. You use this one, 20 pounds, 10 pounds, 50 pounds, 75 pounds. And then I have a few other nails. But I am going to use the, I'm going to use the 10 pound. I don't know how much this is. I'll just use 20 to be on a safer side. So it should be nice and easy. Tack nail through picture, hanger, onto wall, and then hang the picture. Booyah. Easy.